The beginners everyone to creating video content. How to choose the right equipment for video. Create high-quality video on a budget. It's hard for everyone to create content. Content creation. Lighting techniques for better video quality. Script writing tips for video your content. Creating video content we can make money through YouTube or Facebook and platform more. I will present a tip for all of you who create content, save time and money. Now everyone can create video content just by using AI. It is no longer difficult for all of you. Soon, I will show you an example. Take a look at this content created by AI. I will show you in sample soon. I will teach you step by step to make you easy. Start creating step by step. First step, Google search, then write ChatGPT. Use this free site to help us. Here is a short article that I gave to ChatGPT. Help me find a place famous visit in New Zealand. Now ChatGPT is the way to help find us ready, and you need to copy articles. Then go to step 2. A Google search, then the enter word in video A. Now we have come to this site, and if you have not yet registered your Gmail account, you need to register it. Now we have registered our Google account and it comes out like this. Then we need to paste the text we copied, and we need to add a little more text to make AI work. Here are the articles to add. Create YouTube video for 10 minutes, and articles add voice over as American. Then click Generate Video. Now you just have to wait for AI to work on creating the best content for you. Now you do not have to choose anything, it shows auto best of all, you just click Connect.
Have you ever wondered what makes New Zealand so special? This corner of the globe, tucked away in the southern hemisphere, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, diverse landscapes, and rich cultural experiences. Imagine towering mountains touching the sky, lush green forests stretching as far as the eye can see, crystal clear lakes reflecting the world above, and a coastline that weaves in and out of the wild ocean. But New Zealand is more than just a pretty face. It's a country that wears its Maori heritage with pride, where the haka is as much a part of the landscape as the kiwi.
We can edit our video clips here. If you do not want your video to have a logo, you have to pay according to the website package. This is the last step. When AI completes creating the content for us, it will automatically download the video to your computer.
Have you ever wondered what makes New Zealand so special? This corner of the globe, tucked away in the southern hemisphere, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, diverse landscapes, and rich cultural experiences. Imagine towering mountains touching the sky, lush green forests stretching as far as the eye can see, crystal clear lakes reflecting the world above, and a coastline that weaves in and out of the wild ocean. But New Zealand is more than just a pretty face. It's a country that wears its Maori heritage with pride, where the haka is as much a part of the landscape as the kiwi bird. It's a place of adventure and discovery, where each turn in the road reveals a new vista more breathtaking than the last. And it's a land of warm welcomes where the people are as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit. So what makes New Zealand special? Everything. Join us as we count down the top 10 places you must visit in New Zealand. Starting off our countdown at number 10 is the Bay of Islands. This captivating corner of New Zealand is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Known for its impressive natural beauty that's showcased through its over 140